Can you build a high-performing neural network without using standard activation functions like sigmoid or ReLU? This paper forces us to rethink the role of nonlinearity by introducing a method that uses simple sparsity as the only constraint. Achieving sparse representations typically leads to a difficult trade-off involving computational speed. While traditional methods offer good representations, they require distinct, slow optimization loops to process every single new input, creating a major bottleneck for real-time applications. The authors solve this by proposing a radically simple concept called the k-Sparse autoencoder. Instead of complex activation functions, this model linearly computes activity and then strictly enforces sparsity by keeping only the k neurons with the strongest signals. This mechanism changes how the network learns compared to standard models. During the forward pass, the system identifies the top k inputs and silences the rest, while backpropagation only updates the weights associated with those specific active units. However, enforcing such strict selection immediately can kill off neurons before they learn anything. To prevent these dead units, the researchers implement a scheduling strategy where they start with low sparsity and gradually increase the pressure over the course of training. Once properly trained, this simple architecture delivers impressive results, achieving lower error rates on standard datasets than complex restricted Boltzmann machines. Furthermore, tuning the k parameter gives us direct control over whether the model learns local details or global shapes. This approach is not just a heuristic, it formally approximates a theoretical framework known as iterative thresholding with inversion. By reducing the complexity to basic matrix operations and sorting, the authors provide a way to learn invariant features without the computational drag of traditional sparse coding. The key takeaway is that we can achieve state-of-the-art feature learning by simply keeping the strongest signals and ignoring the noise. To explore more about efficient neural architectures, visit emergentmind.com.